Anna, what are you doing? Did you put us? Nina and Xiaojing are not only your family, it's also our family.
Right.
You bring us with you. Have a look after each other.
It's not that I won't ask you for help. Some things can only be done by myself.
The Zheang family is really invincible. Isn't anyone able to cure them?
What a treat. There is also a Wu family in Peichem that can compete. CM.
行。Look at who I brought it.
You haven't been easy for a few years, hiding in Taipei with a child.
Wait.
小姐 remember uncle?
Of course I remember. You have something delicious for me. How did I forget?
So good. I'll give you candy.
Miss Wu, thank you.
If it were for you.
I don't know what I'll find.
You helped me a lot. Don't say anything, thank you. This is the house that the company has equipped you with.
You've helped me a lot. Accept this house.
Oh, you can sleep in the open air. I don't. But what about? When I found them, they live in a dilapidated temporary room. If you have to move a little, you have to move away. So many years, always following you without a place. It's time to give them a stable life.